Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the UNO on your phone. No jailbreak. So as you can see, I got tons of money right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So if you ever played the UNO game on your phone and you wanted more money, keep watching the video because I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into the video. So first thing we're going to do is go on our phone. We're going to go to this website called hexmods.com, find the UNO, press on it, press this download button. This will start downloading the mod. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, fully works. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to download it again. But if you go to the App Store and type in UNO, you can see it is super expensive. So let me just type it in, and here's the app. And then when we go to in-app purchases, you can see it's really expensive. So if you want to pay for it, that's up to you. But I'm not going to pay for it because that's just weird. So as you can see, I got everything for free, guys. This is super insane. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. But yeah, try it out for yourself because this actually works, guys. For all devices, it is here for you. I mean, that is crazy, bro. So yeah, try it out right now because this actually works. And personally, I think more people need to learn that UNO app is not to be messed with when there's a modded version around like this. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe. And all you got to do, guys, is just come to hexmods.com and find the UNO mod. So we'll just search it up. And there it is. We're going to press on it, and there you go. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe. This is super cool. Totally works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go and share. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome and it's ready for you. So if you need UNO app on your device with modded version, unlimited money, be sure to get the word out about this tutorial